Hey guys, and this is the Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Such an original naming scheme, definitely not anything like the iPhone 17 lineup.
This isn't just an upgrade, it's a breakthrough.
So the standard Xiaomi 17 got this basic squarish camera module with triple camera setup and an LED flash. Xiaomi is using Leica color science and Summilux lens, so it's gonna capture decent photos and videos. Xiaomi is using a boxy design language in this one, and this device is for those who doesn't want to spend that much and still want Qualcomm 8 Elite Gen 5 and Xiaomi's latest flagship. Then there's the most exciting Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max coming with dual display design. The rear rectangular module contains a full screen panel, and then there are dual cameras. The third camera is right below that rectangular module, so we have a triple camera setup in here. The 17 Pro Max gets a Periscope zoom lens, and the less expensive Pro gets a telephoto shooter. The highlight of this device is that second display, which can be used as a standalone interface for various tasks without unlocking the main display, including checking notifications or using widgets for things like weather or calendar, taking selfies, higher megapixel selfies, and even running social media. The best part is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is gonna power these devices. We are talking about 41% jump in the performance as per league benchmark. Xiaomi 17 Pro got listed on Geekbench and the scores are just mind-blowing. The 8 Elite Gen 5 scored even higher than the iPhone 17 Pro Max A19 Pro Bionic. That's insane. Some rumored specifications: the Xiaomi 17 series gets around a 7000 plus mAh battery, 100 watts of fast wired and 50 watts of wireless charging, HyperOS 3.2 out of the box, Qualcomm 8 Elite Gen 5 and IP69 rating with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So pretty solid specifications, I would say. Like, people are gonna fall for these numbers, that is for sure, and that iPhone naming scheme is for sure gonna attract a lot of customers. The HyperOS 3.0 got exciting new design, and these are some screenshots of HyperOS 3.0. This all guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.